Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to make a perfect business plan for business starter. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. 1. Draft and Government Precis. A Write Gov Precis is one of the maximum important sections of your plan. It's additionally the closing phase you have to write. The Government Precis's motive is to distill the whole thing that follows and supply time-crunched reviewers, example, capacity buyers and lenders, a high-degree review of your enterprise that persuades them to examine further. Again, it's a precis, so spotlight the important thing factors you've exposed at the same time as writing your plan. If you're writing in your very own making plans purposes, you may bypass the precis altogether, even though you would possibly need to offer it a strive anyway, only for practice. 2. Describe your organization. This segment of your marketing strategy ought to solution essential questions: who are you, and what do you intend to do? Answering those questions with an organization description gives an advent to why you're in enterprise, why you're different, what you've got going for you, and why you're a great funding bet. For example, Smooth Makeup Emblem SIA stocks a letter from its founder at the corporation's challenge and why it exists. Clarifying those information remains a beneficial exercise, although you're the simplest individual who's going to look them. It's an impossibility to position to paper a number of them more. 3. Perform a marketplace analysis. No count what form of enterprise you begin, it's no exaggeration to mention your marketplace could make or destroy it. Choose the proper marketplace in your products, one with masses of clients who recognize and want your product, and you'll have a head begin on success. If you select the incorrect marketplace, or the proper marketplace at the incorrect time, you could locate yourself suffering for every sale. 4. Define an advertising and marketing plan. Your advertising efforts are at once knowledgeable via way of means of your best client. Your advertising plan must define your modern selections and your destiny strategy, with a focal point on how your thoughts are healthy for that best consumer. If you're making plans to make investments closely in Instagram advertising and marketing, for example, it'd make feel to consist of whether or not Instagram is a main platform to your audience. If it's now no longer, that is probably a signal to reconsider your advertising and marketing plan. So thanks for watching. And if you are new, please make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications just so every time I upload you won't miss anything.